Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make stir-fry spaghetti with soy sauce. Start by gathering all your ingredients. You'll need about 8 ounces of spaghetti, a quarter cup of soy sauce, and your favorite stir-fry vegetables. Cook the spaghetti until it's perfectly al dente, usually 8 to 10 minutes. After cooking, drain it well and rinse with cold water to prevent sticking. Now, wash and slice your vegetables into bite-sized pieces, ensuring they are ready for the wok. Next, heat 1 tablespoon of your preferred cooking oil, like sesame or vegetable oil, in a large wok or skillet over medium-high heat. Once the oil is shimmering, add your harder vegetables first, such as sliced carrots and broccoli florets. Stir-fry these for about 2 minutes until they start to soften slightly. Then, add your softer vegetables, like bell peppers and onions, and continue to cook for another 3 minutes, ensuring they remain crisp tender. Now it's time to bring it all together. Add the cooked and drained spaghetti directly into the wok with your vibrant stir-fried vegetables. In a small bowl, whisk together about a quarter cup of soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and a dash of sesame oil for that authentic flavor. Pour this delicious sauce over the spaghetti and vegetables. Toss everything together for about 2 to 3 minutes, ensuring every strand of spaghetti is beautifully coated and heated through. Finally, give your stir-fry spaghetti a quick taste test. Adjust the seasonings as needed, perhaps a little more soy sauce or a pinch of red pepper flakes for a kick. For a beautiful finish, garnish with freshly chopped green onions and a sprinkle of toasted sesame seeds. Serve your delicious stir-fry spaghetti immediately. This quick and satisfying meal is perfect for 2 to 4 people and is sure to become a family favorite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.